Good morning. This is Greg at the Pocatello National Weather Service office with the Eastern Idaho Planning Briefing for Monday, December 14th. Now first look at the weather impact summary. I do expect some snow-covered roads this morning, mainly in the Snake River Plain and the southern and eastern mountains. So you will have some, like I said, some possible difficult travel in those areas this morning. We expect additional amounts of a ½ inch to 2 inches in higher elevations. And we're going to be fairly active through the early part of the week. We're expecting mainly high elevation light snow Tuesday night into Wednesday with minor travel impacts in the eastern highlands. And we are expecting widespread snow Wednesday night into Thursday, but mostly light with relatively minor impacts once again. Looking at the satellite imagery. As you see over Idaho, we do have quite a bit of moisture as we have an upper level trough pushing east. You can kind of see the curvature and rotation as it's over eastern Idaho right now. We do have some wraparound moisture and the final push of snow this morning, again across the extreme eastern part of the state. And we're going to expect to see the snow continuing again in the extreme east, including the Snake River Plain through a good part of this morning. And the weather impact overview, again, some minimal impacts, eastern highlands, southeastern highlands, southern hills, and the Snake River Plain with the snow this morning into early afternoon in the eastern highlands. Again, the western areas should be pretty much complete with all the snowfall. As we get into Tuesday, most of the snow will be in the eastern highlands. Again, minimal impacts expected there. And as we get into Wednesday, some overnight snow impacts in the Sawtooth Wood River area. And again, the eastern highlands are going to have light snow pretty much daily through Thursday. And then as we get into Thursday, snow everywhere. Again, most of the impacts will be in the eastern highlands. And that's pretty much it. We should start to dry out on Friday. So again, we're going to see quite a bit of light snow events today all the way through Thursday as we go through the week. And the snowfall forecast this morning, again, you can see some 1 inch to 1 to 2 inch areas in the eastern highlands, mainly Driggs, further south. But generally, an inch or less most areas. And again, this afternoon should be fairly light, again, just lingering mainly in the southeastern corner. And the snowfall total for today, continuing through this evening. Again, you see 1 to 3 inches in the eastern highlands. And again, some areas may see up to 1 inch or 2 locally in the Snake River Plain, possibly the highlands of the Pocatello area, but again, mostly under 1 inch. High temperatures today will be cold. Everyone will stay pretty much in the 20s for high temperatures. A few localized areas make it close to freezing, but we're not going to see much temperature rise at all today. And there's a snowfall forecast Tuesday night. Again, I said focused in the eastern highlands. We see 1 to 3 inch amounts, Island Park, south through Driggs, Swan Valley, Teton Valley. And again, very light amounts elsewhere Tuesday night. And the same thing Wednesday, focused mainly in the eastern highlands with an additional 1 to 2 inches. And then as we get into Wednesday night, Thursday, that's when we're going to see more widespread snow. You can see some higher elevations in the central mountains, could be in the 4 to 6 range, generally 2 to 4 inches though overnight Wednesday. Lighter amounts further east. And as we go through Thursday, again, some heavier amounts, some 3 to 6 inch amounts in the eastern highlands, 1 to 2 inches in the Snake River Plain as we go through the day on Thursday. So as I said, it will be a fairly active week. Quick look at the 6 to 10 day outlook, 19th to 23rd of December. Again, Idaho is under a much better chance of above normal precipitation. So, after the long dry period, we're going to continue this wet pattern, it looks like, all the way through the 23rd. And the temperature outlook trending towards a better chance of warmer than normal temperatures as well. So going over the weather impact summary again, Again, we are expecting some snow-covered roads, some possible travel impacts, mainly Snake River Plain, southern and eastern mountain areas. Not much accumulation, some areas as much as 2 inches, but generally an inch or less, especially in the Snake River Plain. Mainly high elevation light snow Tuesday into Wednesday, especially in the eastern highlands. And the next widespread event looks to be Wednesday night into Thursday, but again, not significant amounts, but again, enough to cause some minor travel impacts. That will conclude the briefing today. If you have any questions, contact us at the number listed here 24 hours a day. And our website is listed below the phone number. Thank you. Everyone have a nice day today.